Welcome back. Today we're going to go through the side plank, ways to make it easier and ways to make sure you're doing it correctly. Starting with the setup of a plank, we want to stack your shoulder right over your elbow and get your feet all the way as far away from your shoulders as possible and lift your body straight up so that way your body is straight as a board. This is a great exercise for the obliques, the muscles on the outsides of the abdomen, but we can't do that effectively if we are shifting around and doing the exercise wrong. So ways to make sure that we're doing things well is we want to keep our shoulders out of our ears. So you can pull your shoulders down and back away from your ears so that way you're not shrugging up. You want to make sure that your body is not rounding over, so keep your hips square with a wall straight in front of you and make sure that you're not rounding over in the movement. And make sure your feet aren't falling all over the place. So if it helps you to move your feet side by side, you can do that. That might help with the stability sides of things if you're more of a beginner. Another way to make this exercise a little easier is to go to your knees instead of your feet. So just bend your knees to 90 degrees, push through your knees to lift your hips straight up so your body's straight like a board. Again, keep your body facing straight towards the wall in front of you, and you shouldn't be shifting around. This is an isometric exercise where you should be feeling your abdomen doing the work. One note I do want to make is that planks in general, or side planks even, can be an exercise that people just sit in for 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. And that's not the point of training the core or the abdomen. The point would be challenging your musculature. So how I like to progress this is once you are getting to the point where you can do 60 seconds per side from your feet and you're doing forceful exhales during the movement, I would progress to more challenging exercises. There's other variations of the side plank where you can add rotation, or a Pallof Press is my personal favorite. You can find that Pallof Press in our exercise tutorials and on rapidfitnessonline.com. Again, the big takeaway here is make sure your form is locked into place and you progress it appropriately. That's the side plank. Let us know what content you want to see next in the comment section below. Like the page, subscribe to the page, like the video, thumbs up. You'd be my best friend. Ask me the questions you want to get the help that you need, and we will do our best to help. We'll talk to you soon. Rapid Fitness!
She thinks that's super bass got